I am an artist, I do art. I am an artist, I love art. I am an artist, I help other artists. Of course, I am an artist, I do have artworks. Well, that was not poetry. I'm not a poet. Kepha mina ngiyabanikeza abosonkondlo the stage ukuthi sibe sawo. Angikubingelele ngiphindze ngikwamukele ngibukele ehlelweni lakho lokuthandaza wona lihamba embili eSwatini TV na7 lonke nje dandla nenkondlo. Libito lami ngeke nginfortunate ngamabuzo. Uyathi masimbuka ukuthi when you see poetry it's time for poetry. It's time for you to learn. Ngalo nje sengikhuluma isingisi. Ngile excitement man le ngiva ukuthi you know this is isikhathi ukuthi ufunde you know what isikhathi ukuthi leli talent lakho solulimbonyile lapha saluthinta italithulu bese sesiyalibona nathi sisho ukuthi okay there is someone out there lo wena umsebenzi wetandla lo wena emaqhuqula amahle ngoba wena ucreative mbukela isolo sikhona khona ke namuhla eMoyeni High School you know eMoyeni High School bathi man ngeke saveta mani nabaya lababili kuphela but sinawo nalamanye ama-artists sinabo phindze nalabanye bosonkondlo this time around ke bathi ne-artist sinayo le mfayine ukuthi indawo uthatha bosonkondlo kuphela siva mani thini sonkondlo wethu ke mbukeli Njebza the poet yo Njebza uthe mina nginjebza the poet angisinjabulo nje nami sengicala ngifaka bo DE uthe Njebza le poet divela ke mbukeke uthi Njebza le poet utanani
lenzaba yangilimata ngaphakathi ngicela kubhodla ngikhiphe konke lokungaphakathi kungivisa buhlungu noko ke kuyivisa buhlungu kubona labancane babhema kona lokubavodlota sifuba bathi bangayibhema lenkawuza bathi babuyisa umqondo lenvo ibadida ingqondo ngekubalimata umqondo kuyabaphekehla kuhle kwemphehla kubente emakhehla buka manje semakhehla laphela likusasa lenshanga kithi lecoshana nemabhodlela lalihlatana ematshwaleni lokubhlungunye ukuthi kude labakuzuzako lapha kanti futhi kude lelikusasa ematshwaleni bathi bangawaphakamisa lamabhodlela baqale kubhodlelana kodwana lokubhlungunye ukuthi bahamba baphila babuya seba amabhokisi phela naku sibangcwaba mihla namalanga bonzanga lenzaba iyangilimata ngaphakathi ngale nkondlo ngithi funza mdukulu funza ufunzele likusasa ukhumbule ukuthi sewuphila lelikusasa impilo yabida la ngaphandle nakude lokuphethe esandleni ibabitile ke labanengi behluleka kusabela ngoba bekude bebakuphethe esandleni bekude bebakubeka nasetafuleni lenzaba iyangilimata ngaphakathi unjebza lobhalile bathe magama yaphilisa siyabonga
mbukele sengihlelisene naye Injabulo the poet njengoba ngishilo ukuthi namhla senkondlo wethu nguNjabulo the poet uthi again no I'm not Njabulo the poet but I'm Njebza the poet I there one in fabo DE anginathi kusinafundziswa ngibani Njebza welcome to the show
njani
ngiyaphila Njebza the poet ungubani wakabani sikwadi nje kancane
bangibita ngaNjebza nginjabulo ngakadlamini isibongo sami but actually my stage name is Njebza le poet ngenda form 5 khona la Moyeni private school yeah khona la Moyeni ngenda form 5 currently I'm doing poetry I'm a poet
okay
yeah I'm a poet
okay I like the fact that you are saying that I am a poet am a poet again Njebza why did you okay ngiyeva Njabulo then you said Njebza le poet why did you decide to call yourself Njebza le poet
I decided to call my name Njebza le poet because ngeke ngavula ema-account Facebook ngibhale Njebza the poet and there was someone wakopa leli gama shothi lamchaza ngemva sekadibita ngaNjebza the poet and everything bengiyenda bekayenda so I decided ukuthi no asengishintshe ngento nje like into lehlukile that would be profound yeah so I decided ukuthi angidibite ngaNjebza the poet I think it's suitable for me
okay usijoyina nini ke kule family yethu yaka poetry
I started poetry when I was doing grade 7. Okay. But bengibhala ngibeka bengasiya umuntu lothi abhale nge-stage ngiyo-recite I was not reciting poet but bengibhala ngibeka because bengiba nala kwesaba I think uba nako nje kwesaba but bengiba nako lokwesaba but fortunately enough ngathi nanga form 3 ngihamba ngenda i-presentation khona la sikolweni and one of the teachers by the name of Mr. Khanyile after sengicedzile kwenda le presentation wangibita wathi you are a poet you are a poet angathi ukuthi vele bengiyi-poet but nje wedwa ngitshela wathi you are a poet and from then on that is where everything started ngaqala khona tonke le into poetry ngaqala nga-recite abo stage ngaqala ngenda everything
Okay.
Yes.
Kwesaba lapho sothi hayi ngikubeke eceleni.
Eish.
La ungasinikeza like i-performance yakho yekuqala ngqa. Wativa unjani noma sokucedzile lokurecite, how did you feel?
Uyabona sisifortunately lengakusho kunye ukuthi like mangicala lokuperforma like yo I was nervous and but lengathi tshela kona ukuthi ngimele ngibe ne-confidence. Ngangena lapha ngalesibenzi ukuthi I'm going to do it. No matter what people say, but I'm going to do it. And lo wangichaza ukuthi ngathi nangiyenda and bonke abantu bachazeka, and that was my first impression about poetry. Bachazeka abantu and labanye baphila ngale ngakhuluma because i-aim yami ukuthi ngibhale inkondlo ukuthi I want abantu ukuthi baphile ngamagama lengakhuluma. Yeah.
My name is Nemesis Melane, a former student in Moyne High School, and I'm currently doing from 5C. Jebza the poet is my most best friend in school, and he's the closest friend to me. And he's a poet, and he normally asks me to play keys for him since I'm a keyboard player. So yeah.
Okay, ngaphandle kwetitshela ukuthi you know what, I can do it as a poet now yaku stage. Na ungasinikeza nje ma tips maybe lamathathu for sonkondlo lobekalingisa wena abhala abeka kuphela angayiko perform embi kwebantu.
Lengakusho kunye ukuthi ungabi nemahloni. Ungayisabi art yakho. Like lo sengikhulumela bosonkondlo lababhala babeka like explore the world of art. Explore the world of art like ubhale and ukhona kuyo recite embi kwebantu like kumele ube ne confidence enough. Kumele ube ne confidence and also master your art. Everything lengayikhuluma ngawabala everything ngayikhuluma ibe nengipathi nje. The most important thing is you must master your art, your own art. Baqaphelisise ubahlolisise bangani. Akusibo bonke bangani labakufisela lokuhle empilweni. Labanye badzabuka na uphumelela ubehlula. Bafisa ngazuthi ningahluleka nonke nihlupheke nonke. Bahleka nawe babe bahleba ngawe. Uhleke nabo kanti sebagubhele lithune enhlitweni bafuna uhluleke nabo. Baqaphelisise ubahlolisise bangani. Bayawuthi sonzeta kuwe ngenhloso yelithando kanti khona labafuna ukukuthatha. Bayawuthi bayakuthanda kanti khona labafuna ukukuthatha. Bayawuthi usiphalaphala usibhalabane. Bayawuthi buhle bakho njengelanga liphuma ngilozi lephile emhlabeni baqela kutisonzeta. Banjalo ke bafana nakhona ke labakufunako. Iyawuthi inyanga sekweqile bayawukela empunzini babalekela kondla lokusesiswini. Kuweke mathamba yobe sekahlela atindile nasesiswini. Baqaphelisise ubahlolisise bangani. Ngoba labanye bayakubhemisa letihlata ngenhloso ekubhidla idale lakho likusasa. Bayakunqoma kanye ehlathini bakushaya letandla noma ungendi kahle. Baqaphelisise ubahlolisise bangani.
Oh, my name is Wendy Mhlanga. I'm currently doing from 5B at Moyne High. Oh, ngimjele since last year. Udvumenge kwenta ama poetry ukuhlasendela nje nala nakunema special occasions esikolweni and nangaphandle khona la wendako and semaningi nje ama poetry akhe leswatiko. Ungumuntu vele lolungile nje, so ngicanga ukuthi talented vele kuwo kakhulu.
Bhala ngaluphi ke lwimi Jebza?
Yabona nasetanga lapho siswami ayusually ngisebenzisa two emalwimi lesingisi neleswati la George neleswati kagogo kangwane eswati ngisebenzisa la kagogo kakhulu. Yeah.
Okay, so yini lekwenda ukuthi wena uthi you know what mina as much as ngibhala nangalesingisi but ngifuna kucila ukubhala ngesiswati.
I-aim yami ukuthi why ngibhala ngesiswati is because angifuni kuba ngazuthi sesilahla le language yethu sesigijimela i-foreign language. It's fine kona vele i-English is used as an international language but nje angifuni lokuthi bese kulahleka le lwimi lemtsabo our mother language. Ngiko ngibhala ngesiswati and also ngibhala tinkondlo letiphilisa tizephilise nebantu labadzala emakhaya. Kunalabo gogo labale emakhaya labangasati lesingisi and nangibhala mina ngibhala ngalesingisi ngibeve ukuthi ngithini kanabo bayawathinga lamagama ethi bakhona ekuphila. Yeah.
Okay, ngiyakuva ukuthi hayi ngathi ngine motivational speaker Jebza. Okay Jebza, tinkondlo takho tiba ngani kahle kahle? Are you writing about life, love, nature?
Tinkondlo ngivama ukubhala tinkondlo tenkolo, gospel poetry, also netinkondlo let encourage our youth. Angeni kakhulu kulithanda because I believe ukuthi the youth has to be empowered. Understand? So that is why ngibhala amagama, ngibhala tinkondlo letawukhona ukuthi tisite youth netenkolo also because also I'm a Christian. That is why sometimes I write a gospel poet because I'm a Christian.
Njabulo umsonkondlo lo ambitious. Sonkondlo uyalithanda talent lakhe. Wenda tinkondlo la esikolweni and outside from school. Mostly writes about church poets, but he does some lamang. So yeah. Ngifisa ukusho kunjabulo ukuthi akachubeke abhale inkondlo asebenze, it's gonna take him far. Achubeke nje. Kuyangijabulisa la wendawo.
Lapho zama sicakametela siciciyitela sihlanganisa impilo yala kuhlangana. Emaphuphethu nalebe sikufisile emqondweni wethu kuba ngazusi kuyashabalala. Lapha imbilibita silibita elibito lakhe imthandazo yethu kuba ngazusi iyashabalala. Sizame sihluleke basihlulele bahlekise ngathi babukise ngathi sesihlulekile. Ungababona bahleka. Abati ukuthi khula sibekele kona thina umdali. Basheshe bahleka nalabathakathi basheshe bathakasa. Sebakhohliwe ukuthi khulu la sendela kona esiphambanweni. Yena lo shintsha simo phambi kwetitha abukise sikaphumelelisa sende siphile phambi kwetitha titsabuke nathi sibona siphumelela. Ningamangali impumelelo yena ithatha isikhathi. Vele lo nkulunkulu esimkhondako thina uNkulunkulu ngesikhathi. Khumbulani bakhe baka-Israyeli kwabathatha isikhathi ukuthi baphume eveni lesethembiso, kwabathatha isikhathi nokuthi bafike eveni lesethembiso. Ungababona bahleka kanabati ukuthi khula sibekele kona thina umdali. Sibekele lokungetulu kwaleti tulo talamhlabeni. Unjebza lobhalile bathe emagama yaphilisa.
Ngabasita ngekuthi nangabe kuze talent lakho li-expose, you have to express yourself. Ukuthi ube famous upractice nje but kuze utoba ngumuntu lo sharp kuma talent akho kumele konke ukubeka ezini kube igoal yakho. Uzame lokuthi nangabe someone akucela ukuthi ucongendele this poetry ungisamayize labo ukhona lokumendela so that atokhona next time ukucela somewhere ukuthi ngicela sihambe umane ungendele nayo i-invent yami toba mnanzi yabo.
Are you getting the support lo ifisile noma khona lapho ishoda khona? Nangabe khona lapho ishoda ngakhona ishoda kuphi singacela kanjani ukuthi basilekelele ngoba as a poet mina I do believe ukuthi you do need people by your side ukuthi ugcine ufikile kuleli phupho lakho lofise kufika kile.
Yabo lokushodako kungaba ukuthi ushoda i-platform like lesingakhona ukuthi nasihlangene sikhone ukuthi sikhone lokuphosta tinvete kanje but kube like ushoda nje platform like angathi ngakubeka kanjani. Ushoda space whereby everyone indzawo lapho khona lokhu nje ubona silana we are living mabhondosi nesemakhaya kakhulu. So lokushoda ko ivenue indzawo lapho khona singahlanganela khona sima poets nalabanye labende ma arts kukhona lokuthi lele sikwendako bakubone nalabangephandle shoda nje le space esishoda because nala sikoleni ngicabanga le space esithola esikoleni si enough for thina labafundza but khona labale ngaphandle nabo labadzinga ukuthi bangakhona kuphilisa labanye amagama. So ngicabanga lokushoda ngile venue ngilendzawo like
lapho ningahlanganyela khona njengema artists nikhona kuphilisana nichushisana ukuthi okay in order for you to do better you can do this.
Exactly.
Okay Njebza sikuthola kanjani ke ngoba khona sonkondlo wami lohledi nje ekhaya uthi hayi mina ngiyamdzinga Njabulo empilweni yami ngiyambona Njabulo ukuthi angaba imentor yami le right angithi njalo Njabulo sikuthola kuphi sikuthola kanjani?
Uyangithola ka Facebook Njebza le poet uyangithola na ka TikTok Njebza le poet also. Yeah.
All right, thank you so much Njebza for your time. Sathi vele ke mbukele kuNjebza le poet nangabe soluhledi wena lo ngafuni kwenda poetry. Niyathi ngeke ngenza ngikhathale ukutshela ukuthi you are wasting your time. Like really why are you wasting your time? Mbukele asijike itolo siqhubeke nalo hlelo ungayinzawo. Mbukele hlelo letandla nenkondlo lolithandza kusejabula ukuthi wena solo udecide manje wathi angisukumi angiyinzawo emande ami nje ngawanathela khona la sichubeka nalo hlelo. Uyathi ke mbukele ukuthi la ekhaya katandla nenkondlo siyakulethela iartist. Well, eMoyeni High School this time around, but cha futhi ngeke phela sikunikete bosonkondlo kuphela. Sina la esikoleni sinebantu abane talents. When you talk about talents ke uyathi ukuthi ngikhuluma ngabo bamfula bendayona nemisebenzi yetandla phela. Sinaye ke umvebi wethu utasicocela kabantu ukuthi yena ukudveba ufundziswa ngubani. Ugood yini vele noma uyasichance. Welcome to the show.
Yes,
Alright, sikhuluma nabani wakabani umbukele ufisela ukutivela yena manje ukuthi ungubani wakabani ngamne bese sebathi hayi futhi bese so short into letingekho.
Ligama lami ngosibona ngokafakuthe ngiza form 3A eMoyeni High School.
Okay. Ngosikhona ngive ngandlebenye mina angifuni ukubese sengithi kumbukele mina ngiyadi. Ngive ngandlebenye bathi wena uyi-artist. Na ungasixoxa nje kabanzi ukuthi nawuthi uyi-artist wenda ini kahle kahle.
Ukuba i-artist kwami ngigxile kakhulu ekudrawing. Ngidrawa abantu especially kakhulu netimoto bengisagxile kiko kakhulu.
Okay. Nawuthi udraw abantu lokusho ukuthi ungangikhokha njengoba nje.
Ngakhokha sesifana.
Okay, so neminyaka mingakhi nje wenda lo msebenzi wakho etandla?
Okay, ngisethi iminyaka leminingi because ngeke ngadvela ngenda grade 7 so ngaphinda ngayekela. And kwaba khona umngane wami ongikhuthaza ukuthi cha angichubeke ngayekeli. So ngacala last year. Ngathola umuntu ongangifundisa ngachubeka ke la. Sinanyela sonzanto.
Hi, I'm Wakile Vilane. I'm the artist's brother. Angathi esikolweni umuntu othanda explore into like always art yakhe bese ekhaya sihlale sijoka nje like sithanda having fun ukuthi achubeke tijwayede ukuthi uyadweba and athole more materials ekdraw because ngathi uyashoda alethi into ekdraw so ngathi ngathi athole into ekdraw kahle aqhubeke futhi thole ama-motivators abuke nje nalabadrawako athathele kubo nje.
Uyayithola yini i-support noma nisadrawa ubeke lapha usho ukuthi hayi one day will be one day ngidawuposta umsebenzi wami?
Ngiyithola i-support kakhulu bomake nebangani bami ngiyaposta ku-Facebook sengile ngadrawa. Kakhulu bangisupport ekhaya ukuthi cha angichubeke ikhono lami leli. Ngaba indlela etiphilisa empilweni.
Okay. Alright, now to back support ekhaya which means uyakhona ukubalansisa school and ne-draw.
Ngiyakhona ukubalansisa because mangidweba ngidweba ngesikhathi ngibona ukuthi cha sengifree kenyalo. Kodwa lesengikwendawo then ngiyathatha into yami ngende njalo ngibona.
Okay. Alright, esikoleni bakusita kanjani bothishela? Kuleli khono lakho lonalo.
Bengisengazi ngathi vita kuthishela so laba ngathi kakhulu bangani bami laba close engivame ukuthi ngimasihleki mase ngicha sesanze kakhulu ngathi ngikhuluma so bese ngithatha indoda yami lezo bangibona sengibhizi sengiyedwa.
Okay.
Bangibo nje bangingayo ukuthi cha namhla sokudwebe nawo sikubona ukuthi cha utakhona yini. So bese ngibaprova wrong.
Okay. Esifo bese sengibaprova wrong. Okay, ufise kufika kuphi naleli khono lakho?
Ngifisile ngidrawa. I want to be the best. Especially kakhulu la kangwani makwathiwa cha mawufuna umuntu otakudweba conza ngosifona fakuthi ntakwendela tingo takho.
Okay. Now uthi ke ngosikhona you wanted to be the best. Yini lo yenda onke lamalanga igcine le taxita ukuthi ugcine unglo best lo fise kuba ngoyi.
Ngibona ukuthi ngiyakudzinga ukuthi ngifake amandla kakhulu ngibe serious nginole ngendako and ngingagive up mangibona ukuthi cha lokhu cha ngathi ngiyehlulile ngichobeke ngizame. Ngiyabona ukuthi ngagcina ngifikile la ngifuna ngiya khona.
Hey, my name is Dile Shongwe. I'm Goskona's brother. Akachubeka abe ne-confidence and abute kulaba phambili ngoba vele bathi indlela ibuka kulaba phambili. Abute kulaba phambili asebakile badrawa baba setulo so that naye atokhona ukuthi afunde lapho nalapho angafunda khona bese yaqhubeka bamkhulu.
Uthithe udraw bambu interested lapho ekutheni ukuthi futhi ungamdraw nje aphume njengoba anjalo. Kuthatha isikhathi esinganani ukudraw yini phenseli oyisebenzisako?
Kuyangithatha liviki kudraw umuntu ngisebenzisa amapenseli ahlukene kakhulu nemaphepha ama-A4 like set of things lete uyisebenzisako.
Okay, now usebenzisa amapenseli ahlukene ngeke ngeva ngalomunye athi amapenseli ekudraw athi ayabida. Wena njalo wena usebenzisa lawa lesibasebenzisa la sikolweni nasebenzisa ipencil or uthenga lawa vele lasetshenziswa ama-artist lathi wona nasidraw athi nesebenzisa washo amagama awo wenda kanjani?
Lo wangifundisa ukudraw ngitshela ukuthi cha angiwayekelanga esikole because angeke azange ndiyenza ngifisile. So nami ngiyenzama ukuthi ngizame indlela ukuthi ungathenga amapenseli ona vele ayabida because inye vele ibita 11 rand. Shana ngokuthi ingana lento leyifuna le penseli ngifuna. So ngizama ukuthi ngithi indlela ukuthi ungathola ngomapenseli cishe konke le stuff engisidingayo lokho nakudraw.
Okay. Ulaba fisile ke ukusitalo kuba sibukela njenganyalo ungafisa ukuthi bakusite ngani?
Lengafisa ukuthi bangisite ngako ngathi mababona lama post ami ngapostako ba comment kuloko le babona ukuthi cha la akahambi kahle banike ne support.
Okay. Kukhuthatha ke lomunye losibukelako lo artist losaqala njengawe ungamkhuthatha uthini?
Akachubeke lapho aqale khona angapheli amandla afake amandla kakhulu ayimbili lento life isilekile itawuphumelela ngokuthi atinike isikhathi nakayenda lento abe serious kakhulu lo tamsuka.
Njengoba ushide umsebenzi wakho sokuqalile ku-advertiser noma solusawubeka wenda kanjani ukuthi sibone phela ukuthi hayi man ukhala ngesikhona sikuthinze usidraw njengoba ushide ukuthi ungangikhokha njengoba enjalo wenda kanjani lapho?
Ngimposte ka Facebook kakhulu naka WhatsApp labanye abakhona bayabona nangibhekile ngiyapost.
Okay. Alright, sifisile ukujoina manje ngosikhona kule family yakho yedraw. Sidakuthola kanjani ke sikuthole kuphi?
Ungangithola ka Facebook. Facebook ngindolo ngakafaka ukuthi atisha nginaphula khona kwanyalo.
Ngiyathi mbukeka ukuthi kuningi lofundzile ehlelweni namuhla ngiyathi ukuthi nawe wena mfebi wami losesikoleni lothi wena no mina ngidraw ama cartoons yathi ukuthi lama cartoons lawo ngalelinye ilanga ungadraw mina njengoba nje ungabukela phansi umsebenzi wakho nawe wena Sonkondlo wami chubeka manje recite practice one day will be one day mina nawe sitagcine siba best of the best when it comes to poetry mbukela sitabona neviki letayo ngasesikhathi sifana goodbye and God bless.